Ah, there we go. There we go. What happened?
I'm shy.
Good morning, buggers. What you guys doing there? Good morning. We are at Strand this morning. Beautiful morning so far. Sun hasn't even come to say how's it yet. The long rail blizzard pole. So we'll see. Luke is doing I don't know what at the back there. So yeah, just had a couple of spins now, a couple of casts. So yeah, epic stuff, buggers. We're gonna go see what lays out here. Supposedly there's bonnies out here and maybe some yellowtail. So let's check it out. Lekker, buggers. We'll check you out there. And Walter just hooked up. Head start. We're giving them a head start. I hooked up now, but I lost one. Luke, what you got there, Lani? You're a katonko. Okay. Are you happy now, Luke? Can I start catching? It's not gonna be like yesterday. Oh! That one I lost is just for you. Start contour mapping. Oh, there we go. Thought so. Double! Double! I flippin' thought. Should fight the first one. Just check. Cool, we separated as you can see. The other line's still here. Cool, you're still on. That's like still good. Hey, I didn't expect to catch so early. Oh shit, he's on top of the surface there. Okay, that one's off. Yeah, it's 100% off. Ah, no! Okay, that eg's still on. Let's go. Ah! Okay, let's try and get this one then. Oh, it's on off, so back on again. Yeah. Oh no. Okay, cool, he is on. What is this guy? Nice! Let's just sort this out. This nice little pulsator dusters work pretty good. Oh, lekker dude, well done!
Now I've got some trouble in the hatch.
Sashimi time!
Yes.
Epic, my dude, well done!
I thought to myself, like, I have to catch something my wife can eat.
Well,
Otherwise, I'm not going to be allowed to keep waking her up at 3:30 to leave over here.
yeah, no. Oh shit, well done, dude.
Yeah, dude, so I think we're all going to catch quite a few fish today.
Yeah, no, dude, 100%.
Are you trying on the spin now?
Yeah, I just changed to tack spread. What you thinking? What's up, dude?
No, I'm just putting my line there.
Okay, I'm gonna slowly move out deeper, play with Timmy, dude.
Yeah.
There we go. Okay, I haven't gone to it yet. I'm gonna have a little chuck. There we go. Luke. Oh, fish are going nuts behind me there as well. Mullet are getting smashed. Make sure this is up. Nice. Woo. Nice. Yeah, just watch your lines, bro. On the spin.
Nice, bro.
Yellowtail, bro.
What?
Nice size yellowtail.
Cut, man.
Check ya. Woo-hoo-hoo.
For real?
No, not really. In my head, yeah. Julian's finally got one for the morning. Woo! Check it! This is where the hearty rise is so lekker to spin with. What a chore! Ooh! Check that guy. Oh, on one of my favorite ones. Epic. Epic. Woo! Slicked it one time. Swirl up a little. What? Look, how awesome is that? epic, man. Yeah! Chill, bro. Check it. There you go. Woo! That's so cute, man. Woo! Wow! Check it in front, check it in front. Woo! That was so cool. Yeah, Ricky kick. Check us out, boy. Woo! Yellowtail! Yeah! Was it you? I swear that was you.
I promise.
Luke pulled in my line, so I thought I had a fish. Could have been a kayak, could have been a shad, could have been a seal. Now I'm sad. Is that a cob? Yeah, it's a cob. Granta, okay, yes.
Yeah, the color isn't right for club today, yeah.
I don't like it when you race this like that, but
Yeah.
alright, no worries. I knew what you said, but yes. What's it?
Hello.
Hi, how's your day today,
Hello.
man? Give me a little interview. What happened?
I'm shy.
Oh, you're shy. Okay.
Yeah, I'm camera shy.
Shy? Oh, God. Get action! J. Joe, Cobble Joe. Nice little guy.